Welcome, and my name is Fiona Kennard and I'm Head of Chemistry at Godalming Sixth Form College. What I'm going to do today is just take you through a little experiment that you can do at home using household equipment. So what I have here is 2 sugar solutions and some water. I also have a way of colouring those solutions. Now the best thing to use would be food colouring, but Tesco's didn't have any of that. So I've just got some other household items which will colour my solutions. Okay, so the first solution I'm going to put into my glass, and this works very well with tall, thin glasses. So obviously the best glass to use would be a test tube, but again, I don't have one of those. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the first sugar solution into the bottom of my glass. And then to show this layer, I'm going to drop a few dried fruits on top of it, so that you can hopefully see that there is a layer there, and these should, as long as I've done my calculations right, float on the top, like so. Then for my next layer, I'm going to take my second sugar solution, and I want to colour this one, so I've got to find some colour, and the colour I've got is just some soy sauce, just to give it a bit of colour, so it will distinguish it from the bottom layer. I'm going to give that a bit of a stir, so I can see that it's got a nice brown colour. And that, hopefully, is very carefully going to go on the top of that layer. Drop that down the side, don't spill it. And we should see there that we now have 2 layers. The last layer to go on is going to be my water layer. So again, I'm going to add something. In this case, I'm going to add some turmeric, which is the only other thing I could find in my cupboard which will be able to colour things. So I'm going to give that a bit of a stir. It also smells nice. So this should be a nice orange one. And this is going to sit, hopefully, on the top. So again, pull that in very carefully. Okay, so hopefully there you can see in my glass I've got 3 distinct layers. Okay, so the last layer I'm going to try is with some just plain vegetable oil. So that's my last layer that's going in, and as we all know, we should know, I should get my oil to float on my water. Now, if this has worked correctly, and I hope it has, you should see that my little cranberries, which I put in earlier, have sunk in the oil layer. Some of them have sunk down to the second layer. If I give the last few a couple of pokes. Okay, so that is my 4 layers. So there we have a density chamber. So you can make the density chamber out of lots of different household ingredients. All we're looking for is a different separation between the layers. So in here I have 3 clear layers. Just make out a 4th layer, but I've certainly got 3 clear layers here. So I've got sugar, water and oil. So see how many layers you can make that are distinct layers. See if you go 4 or 5 or even 6 different layers. Until next week, take care, stay safe. Bye-bye. One last thing, although it looks quite appetising, please don't drink it.